if you're grazing, what if it's like healthy things from the earth, like nuts and what are the little goji berries? You know.
Yes, Danny, with the hand up.
To
I'm
graze?
saying no because there's a time for everything, like Ecclesiastes says in the Bible.
Yeah.
There's a time to dance, there's a time to mourn, there's a time to eat, and there's a time to shut your
You
gob,
you're gonna
right?
hit me with
The time to
scripture.
shut your
Because
gob.
that allows the digestion to properly happen. It's like what happens with the dryer. Okay, you put clothes in the dryer, but what if you constantly add something wet in there the whole time? It just
She ain't gonna
lengthens
dry.
things. You're not taking in a food, digesting food,
Having a
emptying
nice
out.
rise in
Okay.
blood sugar, and then having a good
Okay.
clear.
A good
Rise and a
clear.
good clear.
Let it clear, Dan.
Could